Ridgemont means a law firm that are experts in construction law, but talk about construction law in a language that everybody can understand. We are a law firm that doesn't talk about commerciality. We let our clients judge whether or not we understand their business. We believe in our model of using senior expert lawyers to lead you through your legal matters. There's no needless duplication or mid-rank lawyers working on matters that don't add value. We are an ethical law firm, and as a result, we act differently to traditional law firms by ensuring that we put ourselves in our clients' shoes when we make business decisions. We hire across cultures and ethnicities, focusing on employing energized, talented people from a broad spectrum of life. We are passionate about educating our clients about construction law. Now, some law firms would see that as doing themselves out of business, but we don't see it like that. We want educated clients who can help themselves and avoid legal issues and focus on growth. But when a legal issue does arise where they need our help, they have an understanding of the broad legal position of their business so that advice can be provided quickly and cost effectively. We are modern and entrepreneurial in our approach and demand of ourselves to think outside the box and to be different. We regularly hold what else meetings where our team drills down to understand what else can we do to offer our clients more value and to optimize the client journey. Ridgemont means excellence, ethical, and progressive.